Here is a $1,000 to $2,000 per day in affiliate commissions planned for you. Every month, hundreds of thousands of people search for PDF edit related topics on Google. So step number 1, make simple and easy videos around these topics. Publish those videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And in your videos, promote softwares like Wondershare that does PDF editing. And they also offer free trial. Become a Wondershare affiliate and you will earn 50% commissions from every sale generated from your link. For example, our videos get us views and clicks. From each click, we earn $1.70 to $8.58. And that's how we earn affiliate commissions. But there is a problem. Wondershare is a low ticket product and it's very hard to earn $1,000 per day promoting low ticket products. And that's why we promote high ticket products that offer $1,000 to $2,000 in affiliate commissions. And our system is simpler, easier, and beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. And I will go to Epic. Epic is our video creation software that makes videos without cameras and microphones using image and text. Epic has the ability to take any text right here. I just paste the text here, and if I click submit, immediately all these sections will be generated. Each of these sections will be each paragraph of the text. And also links are in the description for all details. I just want to go straight to the money. But before that, here is an awesome part why we don't use microphone when we use Epic and why Epic is completely beginner friendly. Because there is a text to audio section where you can click add and paste any text. That text will turn into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. So we don't need to record ourselves. And because we make our videos in small sections and we can save our work and come back later to finish this work, it's a completely lazy process. So we don't need to stress about shooting long video and a tedious editing process. It's life made easy for complete beginners. So we can make videos. My 6-year-old son can make videos. Any beginner, team member, and Epic users make videos in just clicks, drags, drops, etc. Now all the helps are in this help page, and even there is a document training for quick guidance. Alright, Epic is free, link is in the description, or you can just browse epic.ai. Looking for $1,000 to $5,000 a day online as a side hustle? Affiliate marketing can be a great start, and it's completely passive income by promoting other people's products and services. Oh, this is our stats, by the way. But before we go to our system, let me tell you a story about this website, purewigs.com. This e-commerce site sells wigs and has been in the business for 9 years. It's making an average of 702 Great Britain pounds per month, but when it was put up for sale on Flippa, looks like no one is showing any interest. Why? E-commerce is a great business, but running an e-commerce store is a lot of work. You have to deal with manufacturing, sourcing, inventory, shipping, handling orders, and returns, and the profit margin is not always that high. But with our system, you don't have to worry about all that. Our system is simple, easy, and beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. You don't need experience or technical knowledge to get started. Just follow the instructions in the bio and in the first comment to start earning $1,000 per day per sale with affiliate marketing. If you want to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing just like us, then stay tuned. But before we get there, I want to show you this Forbes article where it says cybersecurity can be one of the top career choice in 2023. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, cybersecurity has become the responsibility of all the team members of a company. So everyone needs this knowledge. You can start learning from free or paid courses from sites like Udemy, Simply Learn, or Skillshare, then apply from thousands of job vacancies all over the world. But this will take a little bit of time. Learning a new skill, then actually implement it in the work, get a job, make money. In the meantime, you can use our system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. It's easy, simple, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. For full details, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. One of the easiest ways to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day just like us is to use videos and affiliate marketing. But don't worry, you don't have to make videos. Go to YouTube and search with the keyword, click this filters button and select Creative Commons. All the videos you see are free to download. You can use this website loader.to to copy a video URL, paste it here, select your format and just click download. then upload it as your own, put your affiliate link in the description and in the bio, and ask your viewers to click your links. In our case, we earn $1.70 to $8.58 from each click, and all our clicks make us money. Wait, there is a big fat but. A lot of bad people upload other people's copyright protected videos as Creative Commons, and if you download them and upload them as your video, they might take legal action against you. So don't do that. Instead, use our simple, beginner friendly, and 95% work done for you system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Full instruction is in the bio and in the first comment. Let's make $1,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions. Step number 1, go to loader.to. Here you can copy any video URL, paste right here, and you can download this video in all different formats, including 4K. Now, before you press this download button, why would you even download a YouTube video? You see, when you search with any keyword on YouTube, click the filter option, and you will be able to filter only Creative Commons videos. Now, these videos can be downloaded and used as your own. Wait, before you actually do that. Yes, a lot of people teach you this, but don't do this, because a lot of other YouTubers simply download copyright protected videos and upload as Creative Commons. So chances are these videos are actually copyright protected, and if you download them and use them as your own videos, you might get sued. Instead of trying to steal other people's videos, use your phone camera or my artificial intelligence software, which is free to start. Link is in the bio and in the first comment. And in the same place, you will also get free training on how we earn $1,000 to $2,000 a day in passive affiliate commissions, working 30 minutes of our time per day and 95% work done for you. Check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. If you want to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing just like us, then stay tuned. But before we get there, I want to show you this Forbes article where it says cybersecurity can be one of the top career choice in 2023. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, cybersecurity has become the responsibility of all the team members of a company. So everyone needs this knowledge. You can start learning from free or paid courses from sites like Udemy, Simply Learn, or Skillshare, then apply from thousands of job vacancies all over the world. But this will take a little bit of time. Learning a new skill, then actually implement it in the work, get a job, make money. In the meantime, you can use our system to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. It's easy, simple, beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. For full details, check the instruction in the bio and in the first comment. First, let me show you how to earn $200 per day. Then I will show you how to earn $1,000 per day. You see, there is a problem in the market. There are hundreds of Shopify store owners who pay a lot of money to run their online stores for WooCommerce and dropshipping business. And they need the right product in their store in order to make their store profitable. And you can help them by finding those trending and profitable products using simplytrends.co and get paid as a freelancer, marketing, product, and web research assistant through sites like Upwork. Look at this. This person earns $20 per hour, another one $60 per hour, another one $25 per hour. Working 10 hours a day at $20 per hour rate, you will earn $200 per day. But honestly, that's not easy. It's another 9 to 5. But if you want to earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day in easier, simpler, and beginner-friendly system, just like us, with 95% work done for you, then check the bio and the first comment for detailed instruction. I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day from affiliate marketing. But before that, product research and market research type of freelancing job can pay you $20 per hour to $60 per hour, because Shopify owners pay a lot of money per month to run their e-commerce or dropshipping business. And you can do the market research job by using simplytrends.co web app. It's free to start, by the way. With this app, you can find the accurate product sales insights for any Shopify store, including your client's competitor store. Help your clients and get paid like this. This is a good work, but $20 per hour will pay you maximum $200 per day after working 10 hours per day. That's why we do affiliate marketing, and we earn $1,000 to $5,000 a day with 30 minutes minutes of work and 95% work done for you. To know more about our system, check the instructions in the bio and in the first comment. A lot of people asking me in the comment, if I'm making all that money, $1,000 to $5,000 a day that I show in my videos, then why do I even make videos? The answer is, well, before I give you answer, let me show you something. This is a video, and this video is nothing but a black background and text and voiceover. This video has got 24,000 likes and 240,000 views. You look at our money, all our money came from video views, and video views turn into clicks. Every click pay us $1.70 to way up to $8.58, and that's how we earn money, and you can do it too. Our system is simple, easy, and beginner friendly, and 95% done for you. To know more detail, go to the instruction in the bio and in the first comment.